Elementary, Vedanta Aluminium's monthly newsletter, presenting key updates from India's top aluminium producers.
Vedanta Aluminium has emerged as India's largest manufacturing investor in Q1 FY26 with a 1.3 trillion rupee greenfield aluminium smelter and 4,900 captive power plant in Dhenkanal, Odisha. This mega project is expected to generate over 2 lakh jobs and unlock opportunities for thousands of MSMEs. Vedanta Aluminium reported the highest ever quarterly alumina production of 587 KT at the Lanjigarh refinery, an increase of 36% quarter on quarter and 9% year on year. Cast aluminium production increased 1% year on year to reach 605 KT. The Jharsuguda smelter has expanded its capabilities with an additional 120 kilotons per annum of primary foundry alloy production. As the first Indian company to produce and supply PFAs domestically, this expansion strengthens India's position in the global automotive and engineering aluminium supply chain. Rajiv Kumar, CEO Vedanta Aluminium, along with senior leadership, visited Vizag General Cargo Berth or VGCB, the company's integrated port terminal at Visakhapatnam, along with senior leaders for a terminal tour and strategy review. The team observed cargo operations and shared insights highlighting innovation and teamwork. To drive circularity, Vedanta Lanjigarh has signed an MOU with the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute, Kerala, to repurpose red mud, a byproduct of alumina refining, into a nutrient-rich growth medium for sustainable agriculture and afforestation. Similarly, fly ash is being repurposed into construction material through a collaboration with the Subbalakshmi Cooperative. Vedanta Jharsuguda will provide fly ash for free, support a brick unit setup and offer training, thereby promoting circularity. To celebrate production excellence, Balco recognized more than 900 employees and business partners under its Utkrisht Utpadan program. Vedanta Lanjigarh, under the Mo Gacha Mo Parivar initiative, has planted more than 50,000 fruit-bearing saplings across 49 villages in Kalahandi and Rayagada districts of Odisha. VGCB, under Project Shiksha, inaugurated a state-of-the-art computer lab at a local high school. The new facility will benefit students from 6th to 9th standard, helping them build essential digital skills. At Vedanta Jharsuguda, experts from the National Disaster Response Force trained emergency responders in CPR, first aid, flood response and emergency readiness. Vedanta Lanjigarh has partnered with DuPont Safety Solutions to roll out best-in-class safety and operational standards to identify and mitigate critical risks. Employees at Vedanta Sijimalli mines receive training in operational efficiency and hazard leadership. The Stop, Look, Assess, Manage or SLAM methodology was introduced to reinforce risk identification and prevention. On World Youth Skills Day, Balco launched a certified AI skills training program at the Vedanta Skills School. Over the years, Balco has upskilled more than 13,000 youth. VGCB also marked the occasion by engaging local students in digital skills and an AI workshop, encouraging innovation and readiness for the digital future. The Mines team also organized a menstrual hygiene awareness campaign across 18 schools in Jamkhani, Kurloi and Ghogarpalli, engaging more than 1,100 students through sessions focused on adolescent health. A similar program was organized for the local community in Lanjigarh to raise awareness around adolescent reproductive and sexual health. To create safer conditions for both animals and commuters around Vedanta's bauxite mines, 300 reflective collars were distributed in Kodingamalli and Rayagada for stray animals. VGCB organized a mega health camp under Project Arogya, providing free medicines and vital medical services such as ECG tests to 522 community members. Vedanta's coal mines team also supported the launch of the Swachh Sundargarh mobile and web app, enabling rural communities to report sanitation issues in real time. Jharsuguda hosted a spirited badminton tournament for employees and their families, celebrating wellness, sportsmanship and a vibrant community culture across all age groups. The team is taking the spirit of sportsmanship beyond the operations. Bhabani Kumari Sahu from Jharsuguda Spotline Services secured 4 medals and a referee jury memento at the 2nd Odisha Cup Penchak Silat Championship. As a part of a monthly series Engage and Elevate for Mental Health, a wellness assurance session was introduced in Bhavani Patna, entailing a simple yet powerful 2-minute daily meditation and breathing routine. Balco partnered with Your Dost to deliver an interactive nutrition session engaging 200 plus employees and partners through expert insights, fun activities, and open conversations around healthy living. Balco and Vedanta Lanjigar earned the Great Place to Work recognition, reinforcing its employee-first culture and progressive people practices. Vedanta Jharsuguda was recognized for environmental management at the prestigious 19th CII ITC Sustainability Awards held in New Delhi. Vedanta Lanjigar was named second runner-up at the CII National Energy Efficiency Circle, a testament to an energy-efficient workplace. Balco continues to set benchmarks in excellence, receiving multiple accolades including the Green Manufacturing and Environmental Excellence Awards, a bronze at the BW People HR Awards, a gold at the Titan Business Awards, and the CII Platinum Award for Digital Safety Innovation. The CSR Times Award 2025 was presented to Vedanta Lanjigar for its flagship initiative Project Sakhi, empowering rural women and impacting the lives of more than 5,000 women in the region.
That's all for this month. Follow us on our social media for the latest updates. See you in the next edition.